Hi, welcome to another session. So today we are going to speak about the healthcare application. Okay, so this is done on Streamlit, and this is basic RAG based application. Okay, so where we have the different tab to upload the document and chat with that UI. Okay, so that is the goal. Okay, so here I have mentioned in the details, right? So where in the medical documents tab, upload manage lab report, prescription, and discharge summary, and clinical note. And based on that, user can interact with the system and get more information. Similar way for the medicine details as well. Okay, so upload the medicine details. Okay, so dose guidelines, other information, all those things. And another is in hospital details. So, okay, so top 10 hospital here I have considered, but yes, it can be any bigger list as well. Okay, so that is just going to do. And so before moving into the individual tab, just I want to say this video will be in, it's a single video, but it will be in two parts. So first part where I'll give the demo how to use this application. And then I'll jump into the details. But first we'll start about the HLD high level documentation. Okay, so and then after that we'll jump into the code, we review the code. Okay, so now coming back here, how will you use that app? Okay, so here a couple of PDF is required. So like you can upload PDF as per your need. Okay, but here I have kept this as a repository. Okay, so where is the simple PDF is available, medical reports, medicine details, and hospital details. Okay, so if you click this, then automatically it will get downloaded, and after that you can do your R&D. Okay, so I already have downloaded this, so let me go here. Okay, so we'll take some medical reports, right? So these are the total medical reports I have in my report. So I'll click on this. So everything got uploaded. Okay, so then I have to add it into the library. So then it's done. So okay, so let's see. Uh, some name with some name. I know this name is available. Okay, so this is some drugs name it's saying. Let's see. We'll run this and I'll see what is happening. Okay, so I'll keep my picture here somewhere. So it says it's running. Okay, so so this one, medication. Okay, report number five. Yes, so it's available in the report number five, and based on that, is giving me the context, right? Okay, so similar way, if I have to search for the some other things, so let me see if anything is open. Okay, so this is one of the PDF. Let me open it. Okay, so something about this medication I have mentioned. Okay, so let me put this and search it here. Okay, let's see now what is searching. And based on that, how the prompt, based on the prompt, what is generating. Okay, yes. So this is the details have came. So more for whom it's prescribed, all those things, and what is the history of that person, right? So that is showing here. So same thing here. You can see the medicine details. So here, if I click, so similar way, and oh, sorry. Medicine details. I think I not unzipped it. Okay, no worries. So you can unzip it and you can check it. So those things will come. And hospital details I have. Okay, that's ready. So I clicked on this and I have taken all the hospitals, right? So yes, so these are the documents I'm going to upload here. Okay, so you can see, so these are the hospital list I have attached. So if I go for search with any hospital, click on that. So here I am not writing anything, only I have just from the list. So this is the top 10 list. It's predefined, but yes, it's definitely based on your project need. Uh, we can create this one dynamically. It's not an issue. Okay, so yeah, I have clicked on this and see for the Chennai Apollo Hospital, what is it saying? Okay, so this is the context I'm able to retrieve for the for this hospital. Now, with this hospital name, I want to know about the admission process. So now again, it started generating the answer. Okay, so let's see based on that. So yeah, so you can see based on the admission process, that one whatever I have submitted. So yes, it came into this part. So this is the way it's going to happen. And here in user guide, here I'll upload some my one of my this thing and this video. Okay, so it will be easy for all the users to get into that. Okay, so that's the aim. I have. Okay. So now coming back, so this is the way it can be used. So now tell me, now might be you're thinking, okay, so what kind of, so this is one of the very basic example I have shown. Okay, so it could use, this project can use in multiple way, but this is very basic project. I would say. Okay, so and I have just one Langchain library I have used, so very basic function I have used here. Okay, but yes, in future I'll introduce more features in this kind of app. So just to now, so this is the part how we can run this application. So now jump into little detail where I have created the HLD. Okay, so if you go through this, so we'll come to know. So here I have used the Streamlit application. Okay, and after that, whatever I have explained in the different tab, and it's using the RAG and using the FAISS. So this is Facebook in index similarity search DB. So this way, these are done vector DB. I would say. Okay, so instead of fussy, you can use some other like as an example pinecone, right? So pinecone on MongoDB. So these are the NoSQL DB databases, right? Means MongoDB has the SQL databases and they have launched non-SQL DB also. So that is also you can use. So it's a why NoSQL DB? Because it's a vector DB, so you're going to, it's unstructured data which is you're going to save, right? So that's the reason we need a vector DB. Then sentence transformation embedding. Okay, so for this purpose, definitely you should have some knowledge on NLP. Okay, so so then you will be able to understand how my embedding is happening. Okay, so whatever information I'm sending to system, right? How it's getting. So there have a lot of things is that it's cosine similarity, cosine similarity, one of the example, right? So that also will work in the background. Okay, and after that, embedding whatever the context I'm passing to my system, and based on the chunk size, right? And whatever system, whatever information I have it in PDF. So both the things we are sending it, right? So might be in question, in background it's running as a question similarity or um, question similarity. Yeah, one of the example I'd say. Okay, so it's running, and based on that, it's retrieving the output, and then it will send it to LLM, right? And then it will generate the text. So That's what is happening. So either quotient similarity or might be Euclidean distance. So whatever the library you are going to use, so based on that, it will use. Okay, then goals is say organize the PDF domain with the quick preview or download. So read the PDF from local resources, build memory into that. So chunks, embedding, and fuzzy. So what is happening, right? Whatever the inputs we are giving, right, in PDF. So that will first it will divide into different parts, right? So that is called chunking. Then after that, embedding. So based on the chunk, it will create the your embedded vector, right? And then it is stored into the fuzzy, right? And from there, whatever question you will ask, and it will retrieve the text, right? So text again, it will be in embedded format, right? So that is going to happen. So what is out of scope here? So multi-user tenancy or DB persistence, right? So here, like I'm not using any user login information, right? So in long, if you think about from the bigger perspective, right, then definitely multiple user can use it. So this information. So as an example, um, suppose you are working on big organization, right? And you will have lot of documents about the policy, about your customer, okay, about your ongoing project. So just example. So here might be in the first page. Here you'll have. Let me pull my experiment. Okay. So sorry. Uh, okay. It's not okay. No worries. So might be what I'm saying. Okay, so might be you are working in a big organization, right? And then you have a lot of documents, right? Or suppose some policy document, some HR related documents, and some your project information, some your customer information. But everybody should not get the access for each and every document. So suppose if you have some login mechanism, so based on the user ID, you will be able to access the different tab. So suppose this is your HR document available, right? So somebody is going through want to looking for any HR policies. So they can come here and search it, right? Then somebody have looking for the some customer information for their project, right? So they can come log in. Might be for that person this tab will be not visible, so they will be able to access only this part. And after that they will put their queries, and based on that your whatever data ingestion happen inside this, it will be able to retrieve all those things. So similar way might be your finance guy who is having access on this part, right? And you have all the customer billing details. So might be finance guy, they can come and they can type as per their need, and it will be able to generate their query. So this kind of project definitely it can be productionized. Okay, so that's what there the multiple user login it will come. Okay, and yeah, so server side presence of or upload on session only. Okay, so this will upload in the single session, and it will be not in the memory because not in the memory in the sense it will be in the memory, but in the session memory, right? Because it's not writing into any database. So those things also, if you connect to the database, it will come. Then OCR of scanned PDF. So currently I have good. It's a Word to PDF, right? So that's why it's able to understand. But when we don't have this kind of PDF where if it is any scanned PDF, right, handwritten, so then that is definitely not able to read. Then enterprise level auth code or SSO. Okay, so single sign on. or enterprise level with your AD Active Directory, and top of this you can create MFA also, multi-factor authentication. So those things is not available to this project, but those things easily can be implemented because this is this is as a POC I have created. So it's a lot of additional features we can add into this. Okay. So this is talking about the use case and how the key flow, all those things is happening, right? Okay, then this is your system context architecture, how this flow is happening. So user browsing on single session, then Streamlit app, okay, then Euri API. So this is from Euron. Okay, so we are using the Euri LangChain wrapper, right? So it will take the from API, using API, it will use that wrapper, okay, and after that text extraction, sentence transformation, it's happening. So here is the embedding will happen, and then it will chunking will be, so the chunking part we I have used from the Langchain library, okay, and then it will send it to fuzzy index, okay. So Facebook index similarity search, right? So that's what is going to happen. And this is the modular view of my code. Okay, so how it's designed, right? You can see here the here app.py, readme, all those things, right? And here is the src folder, it's available, and under this src folder the healthcare PDF, and then here all this different folder it's coming into the picture. Okay, so and all these different functions I have kept it in the different file. So let me, oh sorry. Mm, okay, so where, yes, let me go. Huh. So utils, right here you can see, you see all these things is coming into the picture, right? So that's why the folder structure have okay, so there have something I should have to change it. Okay, no worries. Okay, so this also is coming into the UI, right? Under UI, okay, yes, this one is coming right, and these are the uh, data I have kept it. So which is the PDF, all those things. And if I go into here, okay, utils. A little bit I have to change this structure diagram. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, because this things it's coming inside the utils itself. Okay, so I have to bring down. Okay, next is the data design. So these are all these different session state, right? Where you each and every session you are going to store the data. That's what it's happening. Okay, then how the retrieval things is happening. So that is I have explained. Okay, then this is the code flow. Okay, then functional requirement, what are the functional requirement is required for this project. Okay, non-functional requirement also I mentioned, configure how where you can keep the how you can keep the a.env file. Okay, then error handling part. Okay, then security constraint. So here you can keep the e.env file out of your code, actual code, right? This is the extensively roadmap for the future enhancement we can do. Okay, then the deployment, how it is going to happen in the local, okay, and in server, also Streamlit. Here I have deployed this on in Streamlit, okay. And yeah, so these are the basics things, and might be I want to show you guys the that is important. Okay. Yeah. These are the libraries I'm importing. Okay, so this is created on a notebook first, and after that I have taken into the modular code basis. Okay, so initially I have created here. So this is the medical report stuff which I'm splitting, then chunking. Okay, after that, using the lang chain. Okay, so that's what it's happening. And yeah, and then step by step, if you go, then definitely it'll be, yeah, this is the one important thing. Okay, so you will retrieve your document along with that, how you are sending the prompt, designing the prompt. So prompt, it's not a fixed way. So that is based on your use case. You have to see and you have to fill it. You have to do trial and errors. Then only you'll be able to reach is the sweet spot, right? So, so this is how it's happening, and what I have in this. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, so this is the working structure. What is the rough working structure? How I did. Okay, but if you go here, so from here is the main thing is happening, right? So if you see, this is the API key I'm getting from .env file, and these are all the different function which I have inside the folder, and from there it's coming in into the picture. Okay, and yeah, then here most of the things. So this is for Streamlit. Okay, purpose happening. Right, so even this title caption, okay, these are the different tabs which you able to see here. Okay, so these are the different tabs. So now after introduction, right? So then like I called it as introduction tab, given the name. This is anyhow commented out. So obviously there are no rule into this, but yeah. And after that, these are the part. The part is going into the your introduction tab. So that's what it's mentioned everything. Okay, then again it will this will be your medical document tab. Okay, so this is a part of Streamlit things. Okay, so but your main thing it will start from upload get medical yes. So yeah, session dot upload here. From here it will start. So which will upload your data set, all those things is going to happen, right? So then here your chunking things will happen, right? And yeah, so then create the fuzzy index. Again, this will come in from one of this folder. Okay, file. So that's what is going to happen, and this is finally the your prompt is going to send, right? So that's what is going to happen here, if you see. And what else? Mm, yeah. Then again, same thing for medicine tab, it will going to happen and it will browse and you will take the medicine details that PDF, right? So you will extract that information, right? Okay, so then after that, the rest of the things is it will do. Okay, so that's why here, main thing why it's gone in increase all this code because is the Streamlit app design, right? And chunking happen, and then final output it's giving. Okay, so that's what. And again, this is the hospital tab. Again, the similar way the code structured is going to happen. So if we read through, it's a very simple code, and then once that is done. Okay, this is the user guide where I'll upload, I'll put that my YouTube, so YouTube video, so that will come here. So that's what is going to happen. Okay, yeah, so I think that's all we have for this. Okay, so yeah, and let me know if you guys need any further information. So I have given my email ID as well, so you can reach me through email. So for this today's session, yeah, that much I have. Thank you. Thanks for your time and have a nice day ahead.